Spanish conversation for beginners. Getting to know your phrases. Repeat after me. Repite después de mí. Hello. Hola. Good morning. Buenos días. Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. Good evening. Buenas noches. What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? Where are you from? ¿De dónde eres? How are you? ¿Cómo estás? Nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you too. Mucho gusto también. Goodbye. Adiós. See you later. Hasta luego. Great job today. If you like this practice, check out our next video. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more beginner Spanish. Gracias.